children. Now, in the dance class, I am teaching for you Koduvaitiva Rangasai. Now I am going to revise the steps and I am going to teach the new steps also for you. One. Last class I taught for you Koduvaitiva Rangasai. You have to say and do this movement. After that, one. Koduvaitiva Rangasai. Ayi Koduvaitiva Rangasai. Tarigidadum. Next, 1, 2, 3, have to do this step. Koduvaitiva Rangasai. Tam, tatte, tehitata, tehidam. This step you have to do 1, 2, 3 step. Koduvaitiva Rangasai. Hagi. After that, takadhimi, takachanu, 1, 2, 3, start. Koduvaitiva Rangasai. Hagi. Fast. Koduvaitiva Rangasai. Tarigidadum. 1, 2. After this, you have to head shoulder 1. Koduvaitiva Rangasai. 1. This step you have to do 1, 2, 3 step. Koduvaitiva Rangasai. Tarigidadum. After that, 1, 2, 3, you have to do Koduvaitiva Rangasai. After that, you have to do this jati. 1. Taka, tattadhinku, tadhinku, tom, tattom. Tattadhinku, tom, tattom. Tattadhinku, tom, tattom. Tattadhinku, tom, tattom. Tadhinku, tom, tattom. Tadhinku, tom, tattom. Tadhinku, tom, tattom. Takadiku, tadhim, tattadhim, Kedadagadam, tadhim, tattadhim, Kedadagadam, tadhim, Kedadagadam. Up to here, today you have to learn this jati. Right? 1. Taka, tattadhinku, tadhinku, tom, tattom. 1, 2, 3. First you have to do 1, 2, 3. Taka. After that, tattadhinku, tom, tattom. You have to beat 2 legs. First of all, beat taka. 2 legs you have to beat tattadhinku, tom, tattom. First of all, we have to beat 1, 2, 3, start. Taka. Then we have to go for that. Taka. Tadhinku, tom, tattom. Same left. Tadhinku, tom, tattom. How? That one. Taka, tadhinku, hand movement. Taka, like this. Taka, tadhinku, tom, tattom. Tadhinku, tom, tattom. Now, again, watch the hand movement. Taka, tadhinku, tom, tattom. Tadhinku, tom, tattom. Now, I am going to teach the leg movement and hand movement. 1, 2, watch. 1, 2, 3, start. Taka, tadhinku, tom, the, tom. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. Tadinku, 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 tom, the, tom. 1, 2, 3, the hand movement, taka, tadinku, 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 tom, the, tom. Tadinku, 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 tom, the, tom. 1, 2, again, one more time, and try to show the leg movement. 1, 2, 3, start. Taka, tadinku, 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 tom, the, tom. Tadinku, 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 tom, the, tom. After that, tadinku, tom, the, tom. Tadinku, tom, the, tom. 1, 2, 3, walk this leg movement. 1, 2, 3, start. Tadinku, tom, the, tom. Same leg. Tadinku, tom, the, tom. You have to raise half your leg and jump and beat. Then left leg should go back. Again, left leg up and jump and beat. Then you have to go back. 1, 2, 3. The hand movement. 1, 2, 3. Start. Tadinku, tom, ta, tom. Put your hands. Tadinku, tom, ta, tom. 1. Again, what the hand movement? Raise up and tadinku, tom, ta, tom. Tadinku, tom, ta, tom. 1, 2, 3. Watch the step and hand movement. 1, 2, 3. Start. Watch the step. Tadinku, tom, ta, tom. Left. Tadinku, tom. Put your hands. Ta, tom. 1, 2, 3. Again, hand movement and leg movement. Watch. Put your hands. Katika Mukha to Alapadma. And again, Katika Mukha to Alapadma. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Start. Tadinku, tom, the, tom. Tadinku, tom, the, tom. After that, tata, kiku, ta, dhim, ta, tata, dhim, ta, kidadagadar, gidadum, kidadagadar, gidadum, kidadagadar, gidadum. 1, 2, 3. Watch the step. 1, 2, ta, dhim, ta, tata, dhim, ta. Kidadagadar, gidadum, kidadagadar, gidadum, kidadagadar, gidadum. Beat, and you have to fold your right leg. 1, first of all, take the samam position, aramandalam. Then beat your right leg and keep the balance on your toes. Jump and come front, and right leg should be straight and full body movement should be front. 1, 2, like this. Then again left. 1, hold, keep the balance on your toes. Raise up your left leg and come front and fully keep the body balance on your left leg. Full stretch. Back leg should be fully straight. Again, I am going to show the leg movement again. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Start. Ta, dhim, ta, tata, dhim, ta. Kidadagadar, gidadum, kidadagadar, gidadum, kidadagadar, gidadum. Same left. Watch the left. Now you have to start with your left leg. Ta, dhim, ta. Tata, dhim, ta. Kidadagadar, gidadum, kidadagadar, gidadum, kidadagadar, gidadum. You have to do right and left at a time. 1, 2, 3. Start. See the motion. Ta, dhim, ta, tata, dhim, ta. Kidadagadar, gidadum, kidadagadar, gidadum, किडदग दरिगिडदुम त धीम त तत धीम त किडदग दरिगिडदुम किडदग दरिगिडदुम. Now hand movement. Watch 1, 2, 3. Fully put your hand 1 and fully bend. Ta dhim ta tat dhim ta. Kidadaga darigidadum ta dhim ta tat dhim ta. Kidadaga darigidadum. Now I am going to show the leg movement and hand movement. 1, 2, watch. 1, 2, 3, start. See, ta, dhim, ta, ta, dhim, ta, kidadaga darigidadum. 1, 2, have to do 1, 2, 3. This hand should go pull up, then go like this. Same left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2. Now I'm going to show again leg movement and hand movement. 1, 2, 3. Start. Ta, dhim, ta. Tat dhim ta. Kidadaga darigidadum. Left. Ta dhim ta. Tat dhim ta. Kidadaga darigidadum. 1, 2. This hand movement you have to watch. 1, 2, 3. Put your hands, 2 hands at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Leg also. Watch again. I am going to teach again. 1, 2. Little bit difficult that to do. Practice. With your right leg. 1 and keep the balance on your toes. 1 and 2. Then bring it your left leg front with 1 and keep the balance on your toes. Then go front. Then tie, tie. Now left leg. 1, 2, 3, start. 1 and 2. Here you have to stretch your leg and keep your right leg back side. And body should be front. Next, tata, dhim, ta. Fully stretch. And show your body front. Next, thigh, dhit, thigh, dhit, thigh. Now, the hand movement and leg movement. 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, dhim, ta, tat, dhim, ta. Kidadaga darigidadum. Thigh, dhit, thigh. Left, tat, dhim, ta, dhim, ta. Kidadaga darigidadum. The third time, sitting step. Ta, dhim, ta, tat, dhim, ta. 1, 2. You have to sit down. Mulamandalam. Ta, dhim, ta. Right leg, you have to go back like this. And you have to keep the balance, whole body on your left leg. Only you have to stretch your right leg back side like this. 1, 2, ta, dhim, ta, tat, dhim, ta. Right and left you have to do. 1, 2, 3, start. On your toes, you have to sit fully Mulamandalam. You have to sit down, then get up and stretch. Then again, left, you have to sit down, then get up, then fully stretch your left leg. Now the hand movement, put your hand, 1, 2, 3, touch the ground and fully stretch your hand. Again, touch the ground, fully stretch your hand up. 1, 2, 3, touch the ground and up, touch the ground and up, fully stretch, 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, and both I am showing now the hand movement and leg movement. 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, dhim, ta, tada, dhim, ta. Watch. Again. 1, 2, 3. Touch the ground. Ta, dhim, ta, tada, dhim, ta. After that, chidada katari gidadum, chidada katari gidadum, chidada katari gidadum. This hand movement and the body movement you have to show. 1, 2, 3. See this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have to show the hand movement. 1, 2, 3. Start. Chidada katari gidadum, chidada katari gidadum, chidada katari gidadum. The leg movement. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kidada katari gidadum, 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 kidada katari gidadum. Hand movement and leg movement. 1, 2, 3, start. Kidada katari gidadum, kidada katari gidadum, kidada katari gidadum. Right? 1. Now you have to do this from the beginning. You have to do this item. Right? 1, 2. I'm going to teach from the beginning. Watch. Koluvaitiva Rangasai. You have to say and stretch and right knee should down and fully stretch your hand and left side corner you have to see. First step and sit on the Murumandalam. Then you have to do Koluvaitiva Rangasai. After that you have to slowly stand up and do this. Koluvaitiva Rangasai. Tarigidadum, tarigidadum, tarigidadum. Next you have to come front with this step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, start. Koluvaitiva Rangasai. Hai. 1. Now Koluvaitiva Rangasai. 1, 2. After that 1, 2, 3, start. Koluvaitiva Rangasai. Tarigidadum, tarigidadum, tarigidadum. Next 1, 2, 3, start. Koluvaina Ninu Choda Kalava Kannulu Veyi. Now 1, 2. After that 1, 2, 3, start. Kolu 1, 2, 3, start. Koluvaina Ninu Choda Kalava Kannulu Tatta Tarigidadum. 1, 2, 3, start. After that 1, 2, 3, start. Koluvaina Ninu Choda Kalava Kannulu Veyi. After that 1, 2, 3, start. Koluvaitiva Rangasai. Now I taught the jati. You have to do 1, 2, 3, start. Taka ta tadhinku taka tadhinku tom ta tom. ta thadinku thadinku thadink tom ta tom ta thadinku thadinku tom ta tom ta thadinku thadinku tom ta tom. You have to do here one more step extra. Do this 1 2 3 ta thadinku thadinku, go back and jump tom ta tom. Again ta thadinku thadinku tom ta tom. Watch this again 1 2 3. I already start this 1 2 jump 1 2 1 2 1 1 2. Same left 1 1 2 1 2 and go back same left 1 2. Again I am going to do this step. Watch 1 2 3 step. Ta thadinku thadinku tom ta tom. Left ta thadinku thadinku tom ta tom. After that 1 2 3 tat dhiku ta dhim ta tat dhim ta kidadaga darigidum kidadaga darigidum kidadaga darigidum. Left ta dhim ta tat dhim ta kidadaga darigidum kidadaga darigidum kidadaga darigidum. Now sitting step ta dhim ta tat dhim ta kidadaga darigidum kidadaga darigidum kidadaga darigidum. Up to here you have to do more practice. Watch the video, keep on doing practice. Next class we are going to meet again. Until then, bye.